Hi friends, in this video I will show you how to create a channel on WhatsApp like YouTube and Telegram. First of all, open WhatsApp application on your device. Here you will see an option of updates along with chats icon. Tap on it. Here you will see an option of channels. There are different YouTube channels you can follow, and you can also find your desired YouTube channels to watch videos of followed YouTube channels in WhatsApp. For example, I followed a channel named GeoTV. You can find desired YouTube channels by tapping on plus icon in WhatsApp. When you will tap on plus icon, here you will see different YouTube channels which are already verified, and you can see blue tick in front of every channel. It means that only celebrities and ministers can create channel in WhatsApp, and famous people can create channel at the moment. And it is the possibility that in future channel feature will be available for all WhatsApp user, but keep one thing in mind that this feature is available on only WhatsApp business. It is also possibility that this feature will be available in normal WhatsApp. In next video I will show you how to create a channel on WhatsApp, because this feature is not available for all WhatsApp users. And if you cannot find this option in your WhatsApp, so you have to update your WhatsApp and then restart your mobile. Hopefully you will find this option in your device. I hope you will find this video helpful. Thanks for watching. At the end, I request you please subscribe to my channel Technical Risers and turn on the bell notification for getting all notification of my this sort of technical video, and must hit the like button if you find this video helpful. Your one like is very useful for us.